everyone, welcome back to Arabic in 5 minutes. In today's video, we are going to learn 60 new Arabic words. Will help you to speak Arabic in your daily life. Each word will be simple, useful, and easy to remember. So get ready, learn Arabic. Restaurant, مطعم, tea, شاي, friend, صديق, family, عائلة, child, طفل, father, أب, mother, brother, أخ, sister, أخت, day, يوم, night, lane, hour, ساعة, today, اليوم. Try to repeat it and you will be perfect. Tomorrow, غدا, yesterday, أمس, beautiful, جميل, past, سريع, slow, بطيء, big, كبير, small, صغير, new, جديد, all, قديم, near, قريب. So much easy. Good. far, بعيد, hot, حار, cold, بارد, clean, نظيف, dirty, متسخ, happy, سعيد, sad, حزين, quickly, سريعا, slowly, ببطء. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to describe things and feelings in Arabic. That's the biggest step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe Arabic in 5 minutes for more fun and easy Arabic lessons. See you in the next video.